We just got our first look at XREAL's Project Aura, set to launch in 2026. This is the second confirmed device from Android XR, the first being Samsung's Galaxy XR headset. These XR glasses have been highly anticipated. Let's talk about what they showed off. Starting off with, what is Project Aura? If this is the first time you're hearing about Project Aura, it is an optical see-through XR glasses device from XREAL, built on Google's Android XR platform. The way I think about it, it's a lighter, more portable alternative to Samsung's Galaxy XR headset. As for hardware, what we know right now is Project Aura has a 70-degree diagonal field of view, which is pretty ambitious because currently the newest model only has a 57-degree field of view, meaning you'll be able to properly use floating windows and side-by-side apps without as much worry about the screen getting cut off. The biggest thing for me though is the built-in head and hands tracking input control. You can use the hand tracking to select, grab, and move windows. This is all being powered by the Snapdragon XR2 Plus Gen 2 chip. The same chip, by the way, that's in the Samsung Galaxy XR headset. But here's the design catch. The brains and the battery actually have to live in a tethered puck. I know a lot of people aren't going to like that idea at first, but honestly, I don't mind it. And I actually think it makes a lot of sense. Instead of cramming everything into the glasses, making them heavier and more uncomfortable, XREAL keeps the weight off your face with the tethered puck, which makes the glasses themselves much lighter and easier to wear. It shows that they understand that weight is one of the biggest issues with XR glasses right now. So it feels like a smart compromise until they can shrink everything down. And as a bonus, the puck can actually double as a trackpad. These glasses run on Android XR, and they're not just mirroring your phone. You're getting a full XR operating system running directly on the device, with real spatial apps, proper multitasking, and native Android XR support. As for optics, unlike Meta's display glasses that use waveguide optics, XREAL uses a prism-based display system. That means there's essentially a second optical element sitting in front of the main lens, which is why these end up being a bit bulkier. One of the coolest things about Project Aura is how flexible it is to use. On its own, it can run Android XR apps from the Google Play Store. You can create a full spatial workspace. And if you want, you can put entertainment on one side and chats on the other. But Aura is also able to plug into your laptop. And when you do that, your apps become giant spatial windows floating in front of you. You can use your keyboard, your trackpad, and treat Aura like a massive portable monitor. This is like what XREAL has already built, but finally powered by a real XR operating system instead of just screen mirroring. Now this is where things start to get really interesting. Because Gemini is built directly into the glasses themselves, it can see your virtual windows, your connected laptop, and what you're working on. Meaning you can ask Gemini questions about what you're looking at in real time. In the demo, Gemini helped answer questions about how to edit a photo. It explained the tooling, guided edits, and responded based on what's actually on the screen. And honestly, this might be Android XR's biggest advantage. So here's my takeaway. Project Aura is coming soon, and I'm really excited to see what these are like in the real world. They're not as thin as I would like them to be, but they are first generation tech, and the feature set that is already here is genuinely impressive. What really stands out to me is that this feels like a lightweight take on their full XR headset. Something that could actually deliver real productivity, real apps, and real AI baked into the experience. If you like AR glasses, check out my review video on the Meta Ray-Ban display glasses. If you want more content like this, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.